Welcome to World Supreme Tour. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling experiences in North America, the Niagara Falls Boat Tour. If you're planning to witness the mighty falls up close, this video will guide you through the updated boat ticket prices in 2025, how to book them, what to expect, and whether it's worth it. Let's get started. The Niagara Falls Boat Tour is one of the most iconic attractions in both Canada and the USA. These tours take you right into the heart of the falls. Yes, you'll literally be sailing into the mist. There are two main operators. Made of the Mist on the USA side, New York. Hornblower Niagara Cruises on the Canada side, Ontario. Both offer stunning views and an unforgettable experience. And yes, you will get wet. Let's talk about prices. As of 2025, here are the latest ticket costs. Made of the Mist, USA side. Adults, 13 plus, $28. Children, 6 to 12. $17 kids under free Hornblower cruise, Canada side. Adults, 13 plus, 32 Canadian dollars. Children, 5 to 12, 22 Canadian dollars. Infants, 0 to 4. Free prices may vary during peak season and taxes may be added. Booking online is recommended for discounts and time slots. How to book tickets. You can book your tickets directly through madeoffthemist.com, USA side, niagaracruises.com, Canada side. Many third-party sites offer combo packages with Niagara Skywheel, Cave of the Winds, and more. But always compare prices before booking. Some tickets include rain ponchos and wheelchairs are accessible. Tour timing and best season. The boat tours usually run from April to November, depending on weather. Summer is the most popular season, but spring and early fall offer fewer crowds and equally stunning views. Tour duration, around 20 minutes, including boarding and mist experience. Tours start as early as 9 a.m. and end around 8 p.m. during summer months. Try going in the morning or near sunset for great lighting and fewer lines. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to World Supreme Tour for more travel tips, and comment below. Have you been to Niagara Falls? See you in the next adventure.